Okay, this is Lila, by the way. So here's the problem. Start off with a free body diagram. This is little Timmy. He's being pulled by 400 newtons. This is the reaction force, mg, and this is going to be frictional force. And defining my axis as this side being positive and this side being negative. So first you want to do sum of the forces, which is Newton's second law, in the x direction, and then in the y direction. So the sum of the forces in the y direction are going to equal to 0 because the acceleration in the y direction is going to be 0. So adding the forces in the y direction is going to be r minus mg equals 0, so that r equals mg. Now moving on to the sum of the forces in the x direction, we're going to add the forces in the x direction, which is going to be 400 minus the force of friction is equal to max. 400. The equation for friction is going to be the coefficient of friction times the reaction force, which is equal to max. Over here, we already said that r equals mg, so we can substitute r for mg. So 400 minus mu mg equals max. And then we could just put in the numbers up here and the variables down here. So 400 minus 0.5 times 50 times 10 is equal to 50 ax. And we're solving for acceleration first because we do need acceleration so we can plug it into Francine. So ax is going to be equal to 3 meters per second squared. Now we have that, we can put that into Francine, which is v squared equals u squared plus 2as. The initial velocity is going to be 0 because he starts at rest. We found a, which is 3, and the displacement is 15. V squared is equal to 90. The velocity is equal to the square root of 90. So the velocity is going to equal 9.49 meters per second. Final answer.